In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Recart. To get started, the first thing you need to do is install Recart from the Shopify App Store. This is the foundation for everything else, since Recart works directly with your Shopify store to help you capture subscribers and automate follow-up messages. Once the app is installed, head into your Shopify settings, click on Apps, and then open the Recart app. This will take you into the main Recart dashboard, where you can begin setting things up. From there, you will want to create a custom pop-up using the list growth tools. This part is important because it helps you collect contact details from visitors in a way that supports future marketing. Make sure your pop-up is configured to capture both phone numbers and email addresses. That gives you more than one way to stay connected with potential customers, which can improve your results over time. Next, choose the opt-in method that makes the most sense for your store experience. For mobile users, you can use the direct-to-text option, which makes subscribing fast and simple on a phone. For desktop users, a more traditional form works well. The goal here is to make the sign-up process feel smooth and easy, no matter what device someone is using. After that, activate the welcome flow. This allows Recart to automatically send a discount code by text message to new subscribers. It is a useful way to create an immediate connection and encourage a first purchase. When this is set up correctly, new subscribers receive the offer without you needing to send messages manually. You should also enable triggered reminders. These automated reminders can be used for things like reorder prompts or browse abandonment. In other words, if someone looks at products but leaves without purchasing, or if it is time for a customer to restock, Recart can send a timely message to bring them back. This helps keep your store top of mind and supports additional sales through automation. Finally, make sure to check the analytics section regularly. This is where you can monitor return on investment, subscriber growth, and your cost per message. Reviewing these numbers will help you understand what is working and where you may want to make improvements. Even a quick check can give you useful insights into how your campaigns are performing. That covers everything you need to know.